Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created the AJAX call to send JS object as JSON to save messages, and we have successfully saved this message from front end, and now we need to reflect these informations under here. So here we have messages index page where we have all information available here regarding the messages. So first we need to use a data table here. We can use that from this page. I will simply go to menu links page and copy this code in which the link tab is used for the data table. Like here you can see this information is appear here. I will copy this. So we have menu and links. So simply go in controller, menu controller, open that, search for link, right click here and go to view. If you are beginner, you can see my previous tutorials where I have explained how to create a data table from scratch. To save the time, I am copying the code from here. Here you can see here is the list and here is the portal body. I will simply copy this whole portlet body and use in the messages index, which is this. Here you can see messages index. I will slightly replace this body, and now I will remove unnecessary code, which is this. I don't need this right now. Okay, here is the list and here is the create. Here is messages. I don't need create right now, so I will remove this. I will remove the tab too. Now I will replace the information here, like what we have: ID, name, email, ID. Here we have name, email, contact, message, and time. We will also add options here, or action. Now refresh this page and you can see the UI is slightly changed. Now we need to create a data access layer by which we can extract information from our table and to reflect that here. For this, we need to create an AJAX call and to create a DB connection by which we can extract information and represent here. In the next video, we will do that. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.